Welcome to the Gimme Shelter lot in Mono, Ontario. This is the Puma 25 RKSS rear kitchen. It has power jacks, two 30-pound propane tanks, power awning with LED lights under the awning, outdoor speakers, outdoor shower, large storage area accessible from both sides right across the front of the trailer. Power stabilizers, two doors, one into the bedroom and the other into the kitchen area. That's the outdoor shower. And here's a little bit more storage space. The new solid steps that are aluminum that travel up inside the trailer. A large grab handle. And the barbecue, which sits on this rack. The rack turns around or spins around and will sit in this area here. This is the rear of the trailer where you have the preparation for a backup camera if you wish to do that. And this is typical with rear kitchen or front kitchen configurations, really optimum use of the space inside a trailer. So there you have your fridge, freezer, stove, oven, microwave, hood fan, lots of cupboards, decent sized counter space, very large sink, and more drawers. Then here we have theater seating. So these are recliners and they will sit opposite your TV. So your TV will mount right there. You've got a stereo system with a DVD player. And again, lots of cupboard space. And to the left of that, of me, is your dinette that obviously folds down and makes a bed if you needed additional sleeping space. And then through to the back is the bedroom, queen size bed with again lots of storage. Closets on both sides of the bed, cupboards up above, 110 outlets, and a USB port to recharge your cell phone. The bathroom offers again lots of storage space, a nice big cupboard in here for storage of linen and the like. Sink, nice large shower with a skylight. Lots of room and nice and bright. This is an ideal couples trailer. We invite you to come and inspect it. These videos are only meant to show you enough to give you some idea of what the trailer might look like, but seeing it in person cannot be beat. So we invite you to do so. My name is Roger. Come and see us in Mono on our site, and thank you for watching this video.